What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Kind of vacuuming the seat up a little bit because we're going to be doing a review on Cordova seat covers, which that is not on there. I just slid that on to see how it was going to look inside the car. Very happy with that, by the way. But these seat covers are super easy, and the nice part is that seat cover isn't even really intended for this car. It's actually just a universal cover. But let me go ahead and go step by step on getting this seat cover on and show you guys how fast you can get this done. This is within a couple minutes, and the hold points are very nice. I'm extremely impressed with how nice these covers are. And before we get into the review, if you like these when they're done, they're going to be listed down in the description for you to go ahead and purchase. Coverado. I don't know why I said that. Coverado is the cover name. But the nice part is in the bottom of the cushion, they actually have padding in them as well. So let me go ahead and get one now that I have the seat cleaned up. Get one, show you guys what it looks like, and then show you how to install. All right, guys, so before I get into the seat here, I want to show you generally their instructions too, which they're extremely self-explanatory. Nothing's confusing about them. You're going to have the chuck, which goes in the crease of the seat, and the hook is going to go underneath to actually hold on to something like metal. Preferably under the seat, which I will show you that, but the chuck goes down once you get them on. So 3 chucks per cover, and then we should just be using 2 hooks in the front covers, and there obviously instructions. Whoops, hang on a second. There's obviously instructions for the rear as well, but I just want to show you guys how fast we can actually get the front one on. So we're gonna hopefully you can hear me as well. Gonna show you guys how fast this process is of getting these on, and step by step on what you're actually doing. So take the headrest off. We are going to slide this part up over. Just like so. And you got your clips at the top here, but before I secure the rest, I'm going to fold the seat back, and I'm going to put the chucks in here underneath, and I'm going to tuck them down in here in the corner. So let me pause the video, let me go inside because that's where the chucks are, and then we'll get them down in there, and we'll resume once we get to here. Alright guys, so this is the end result of how the covers look. I will say this right now, if you have a Kia Optima, you know how uncomfortable these seats are, and I'm not just saying this because Coverado is the sponsor of this video. Not only do these seat covers look good and they cover everything that you're seeing, stationary, they're not like moving because of how secure they are around the sides, underneath. They have padding where you sit at, and my goodness, does it completely change how they feel. Completely changes how the seat is. I should have did this way sooner. Coverado, so far guys, obviously I do an update all the time. I got covers on my Cummins to see how they're holding up. As long as these things hold up from kid abuse and just wear and tear of getting in and out, these things are incredibly comfortable. The extra padding here, I would assume, now my seats are not heated, but I would assume that due to these still have ventilation in them, or little, I forget what these holes are called, that if you would have heated seats, these still would function correctly. But let me get the rears on, and wow, these seat covers, guys, no complaints so far at all. And to be honest with you, spices up the old daily driver a little bit. All right guys, so I'm continuing this. The front covers up here turned out incredible. I actually the fronts have been in for probably about 5 days. Don't worry about the mess. Super Clean, we are sponsored by them if you guys want to check them out. Great product. But anyway, front seats, I have no complaints. The headrests are a little loose, but these are universal fit. But as far as like down here, great fit, plenty of cushion. If you guys have Kia Optima, these seats are terrible factory, so this added cushion, like the memory foam, gosh, it's so nice. The back though, this is still, I'm very transparent about products when they're given to us, even if they are sponsored. I'm not completely finished with this yet, but the rear I'm not super happy with yet. Let me finish it up. And these are actually 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3. But once I get them all snug and pulled real tight, I'm curious to see how they feel. If you guys are wondering why I took my rear seats out versus just leaving them in, is because these don't fold down because it's a hybrid. Well, as you can hear my kid crying in the background, let me get him inside and then I'll finish the bag. All right, so you guys gotta ignore my dirty car. This is my work car, but Kia Optima seat covers, if you have a hybrid, be prepared to move the back seat. That battery in the back makes it very difficult to get it installed. I'm going to break the covers down, how I grade them from the fronts and the backs. The fronts, guys, I don't know that I would change anything at all. And these are universal. These are not meant specifically for this. These are just universal seat covers. I don't know that I would change anything. Even the headrest being like a little bit oversized makes it kind of nice how it like flows into the seat. As you can tell, like the comfort is so nice. Had these in, like I said, for probably about a week now, so I don't really know how they're going to hold up like over a long period of time. I don't have heated seats, so I don't know if that portion works, but it would make sense that it would still work with the heat, with the seat getting warm. But has like memory foam bottoms, super nice, and they're secure. Like they don't go nowhere. Like when you get in and out of the car, we took this on a couple-hour drive, and compared to the factory seats, incredible difference. Incredible. Coverado. So the fronts, honestly, I think I'd just give them a 5. Like I think I'd give them 5 out of 5. Like I wouldn't change. That's not unbiased opinion at all, because you're gonna see when I go to the back. Fronts are perfect. Like I'm very pleased with them. Gonna go to the back. The rear, run into a little bit of issues with, and these are universal, so like I have to keep that in mind when I'm giving my opinion. These seat covers, I would give the rears for me personally, 3 out of 5, just for the simple fact is I wish the covers were all one piece. So this is a piece, the middle section's a piece, the out section's a piece. Same thing goes for the back, and unfortunately you do lose your headrest. So that's why I would give them a 3. As far as like looks and material and quality, obviously very high quality, very comfortable. I did remove my rear seats because this is a hybrid, so it has the battery pack behind it. But as far as like quality, very nice, and I'm actually super excited considering I have kids. But yeah, they have fasteners, 2 on the fronts, 2 on the backs that reach them. They have another one that goes underneath, and that's how it is on that side. The middle section, like I said, is Velcroed, so is the back section right here. But yeah, they're completely done. Guys, I'm gonna link them down in the description. If they have seat covers that are specifically made for your car, I'm sure that they are 10 out of 10, well, 5 out of 5, sorry, across the whole board. But yeah, that's my only complaint about the rear. Like I said, I know that it's a universal fit, but the fronts, which is where I spend all my time at, incredible. Like absolutely nothing negative to say at all. Great seat covers. Going to link them below, guys. If you made it this far in the video, really appreciate your support. Gonna plug Super Clean here, guys. We're doing Super Clean giveaways. We're gonna start doing them hopefully monthly with them. So if you guys want to get subscribed, comment below, ask about the subscription. That's another thing. But Coverado seat covers, incredible, great covers. Can't wait to see how they hold up, and I will be doing a follow-up video.